Morning.
Cheers. It's a good day.
Week 4.
To health. Ooh. To happiness. To safety. To pesa.
Inspiration from mommy.
To making the most of every day.
Anything else, mums?
I love you.
Lulu, what you doing?
Yeah.
Leah, do you want to say hello to the vlog?
No, I don't really want to be on the vlog.
Excuse me. Let's get this workout started.
Instead of like our mats, we should just take out like things we like from the paper, like or start like photos that Dina's taken, and then I lend them.
Wow. DIY with Lulu, guys. Comment if you want to see this in the next video.
I'll be there in the comments.
Noga always comments. Shout out to Noga. She's the shout out of the day.
Mukbang and action. Guys, we're doing a mukbang while we're having supper.
Mukbang.
Yeah.
It's a mukbang. It's a mukbang.
Mukbang.
It's a mukbang.
Guys, this is YouTubers when they do mukbangs. Okay. So guys, I went to the new shop and like you don't even like understand, like it's like so beautiful there, you know. Cause I don't know what to do, like to talk and eat, like I don't know how to do it at the same time, like
The accent changes in the middle.
stop. Like what do I?
Okay, my take on mukbangs on YouTube is that the YouTubers just do it when they like have nothing to show, don't have any ideas for videos, and they just want to eat because everybody wants to eat, right? But that's not anyone specific. That's just like, okay, this is question of the day. Who eats soup for the soup or who eats soup for the soup nuts? I'm guilty of, what's up with the fridge? No. Look, this is actually creepy. Like it's flashing in there. This is insane. Look, can you see the lights are flashing? What the frick? What the hell? What the hell? I thought I would change around the camera and like it'll be okay. Oh my god, this is so insane. Guys, it's not flashing in real life. Like I can't even tell you. Like I know you're not gonna believe me, but it's not.
Guys, the fridge is a spine and I have changed all some conspiracy theories.
Oh my god, guys, that was just a tad creepy.
Can't see me. Oh no, bad angle. That was bad angle.
I hope you enjoyed this.
I didn't. You know who loves soup?
My Panero! What are we watching, peeps? We've got a movie. After like half an hour of
I think it's gonna
deciding.
be like a superhero movie, right? And you're gonna see them like packing up, go off like an adventure.
Whoa. Guys, that was so cute. Literally, I watched that movie when I was like 10. So it was like memories and it was so cute. But anyways, good night. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you tomorrow.
Adiós, amigos. Soup!